Hello students, I Kutoria Bharti will take your computer subject. Hope you are doing well during this time. You might learn many new things like new indoor games, art and craft activities, household work and many more. It is not decided from when school will get started. We will start our online class. Today my first lecture I tell you the story. The story name is The Frog and the Snake. Many frogs live in a shallow well. Among them live an old frog. His enemy frogs always trouble him. They harass him so much that it became very difficult for him to live peacefully in that well. One day he gathered courage and climbed out of the well. As soon as the old frog came out of the well, he made up his mind to take revenge on all the frogs who had made his life in the well miserable. As he was thinking this, he saw a snake slithering into his hole. The old frog went to the hole and said, "O snake, come out of the hole." The snake heard the frog voice. Why is the frog calling me? He wondered. The old frog again said, "O snake, please come out. I wish to make friends with you." How can there be friendship between a snake and frog? Said the snake. The snake and the frog are enemies. Do you wish to die? Go away from here. The frog said calmly. I need your help. I want to take revenge on my enemies. Who are your enemies? Asked the snake. Pointing at the well, the frog said, the frogs who live in that well are my enemies. But how can I live in a well? Argued the snake. The old frog said, just at the water level, there is a whole spot in the well. You can live there. You can then kill all my enemy frogs one by one. But you must promise me that you will never harm my dear friends and relatives. All right, I agree, said the snake, who was delighted with the idea of getting to eat without any hard work. Thinking thus, the snake came out of the hole and embraced the frog lovingly. The old frog then took the snake into the well and showed him the hole. The snake was thrilled to see so many frogs in the well. Now I will not have to wander it in search of food, he thought. I will enjoy myself in the hole and get to eat fleshly frogs every day. Ah, how lucky I am! Every day the old frog would show an enemy frog to the snake, and every day the snake would eat up that frog. Soon the snake became plump and healthy. At last, the day came when there were no enemy frogs left in the well. What now? The snake said to the old frog, you have brought me here. Now it is your duty to feed me. The old frog thanked the snake and said, now you may leave this well. Go back to your hole and lead your own life. But there were many other frogs in the well. When the snake saw them jumping and playing in the water. His mouth started watering. He was tempted to stay in the well. Soon the snake started eating even the friends and relatives of the old frog. Now the old frog repented of his decision to invite the snake into the well. The snake continued to feast on the frog in the well, and one day the snake ate up the old frog's children and grandchildren. The old frog watched him helplessly. He could only lament the death of the dear frogs. At last, the day came when only the old frog remained in the well. The snake said to him, "Friend, I am very hungry. Please give me something to eat." Thank you to listen me.